Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sparkling Nail Studio with Sarah. Today I am in full on use it or lose it mode, and I'm trying to pick out sets from my stash that I just haven't touched in forever. So today I'm doing a Pedi with this is Celestial Waves and then Ibiza Nights. And the date on this is 2019, and I probably did buy it in 2019. That's been kicking in there. You can tell it was kind of stuck to the package for a little bit because it was a little bit tricky to get out, but it also feels a little bit stiff now. And what else was I going to say about it? But it still feels sticky. So I'm hoping to finish it off today. So I'm going to start with have big strips of Celestial Waves. So I'm starting out with that for my big toe. Just trying to smooth this out. These are so pretty together, these two sets. And I'm hoping this just looks pretty and not like my toes just bruised. I always wonder when there's like a, dark color like that, kind of swirled in. This kind of reminds me of like an Easter egg or something, since we're getting just about to that time of year. Oh, this is a pretty one on. Super pretty. Okay, let's grab. See, look at that. I don't know. This is like a brighter purple. I was holding them as I was getting ready to put them on. They look super pretty together here. Like this is definitely a darker, right? But Ibiza is a really pretty one. You can see this one's, it's kind of like board. Well, I don't know how well you can see it on that one, but let's see. I think I might just do all of my smaller toes in Ibiza, just so I can finish it off because it's been around for a long time. I'm remembering now, this is one. So I have a dress that's kind of like a more of a costumey vintage, just something I bought for fun forever ago, but it matches Ibiza. And so this one hung out in my stash for a long time before I opened it. It is going on great though, because I wanted to wait until I was wearing that dress. And yeah, I typically pull it out just usually for Halloween. I have a witch hat that matches it. It's fabulous. It is glittery like this, and just I think it's like 60s kind of vibe. That goes together, yeah. Okay. It was one that I tried on and I was like, should I get this? I don't know. My sister's like, your life needs it, because it was like purpley and purple and sparkly and my two favorite colors, right? Oh, and I did, so my last mani Pedi, sorry, with Pilly base lasted for like, it felt like forever. Now my sense of mani time is a little, I'm like, I've had this mani on forever. And I like look at the calendar, I'm like, oh, it's been 4 days or even less, Like it's been over 24 hours. But no, it was at least a couple of weeks that I had it on, and it held up fine. So hoping to do more PLE, because then I can do my Pedis more often. How fun. And also, use it or lose it is the perfect time for it, because you can use up a lot of those small strips. I may have one strip of Ibiza left. I bet if I do, I will just double some of these, because I still have my other foot over here to do. So that took me 2 strips, right, to do all those. So I'll probably have one left, but I'll just double some to get it used up, although it's going on great. So this I'll clean up, and these always look better after they cure a little bit. These edges kind of clean up. So, well, there you go. There's today's Pedi. Thanks for tuning in with me.